Hi, welcome to my au pair life. My name is Mayra. I'm an au pair from Colombia. I live with my host family in Jordan, Minnesota. I've taken care of 3 kids. Henry, he's 4 years old, and cute twins. They are 2 years old, Presley and Annabelle. Being an au pair for 3 little kids, it's a little bit hard, but worth it because you have the 3 times love, 3 times kisses, 3 times hugs, and that makes me really happy. My day starts at 6:30 in the morning. My host parents leaves to work. I think the babies are up, so they are singing. I'm going to check them. Good morning. In the morning when I go to get up the babies, it's my favorite part of the day because their little faces makes me so happy. We go downstairs, wait for Henry because he usually gets up like half an hour later. Henry, this is your class. Wow. Who wants guapo?
Me.
You? Thank you, Henry. Waffle. Got it? Okay. Can you say thank you? Mm. Do you know how much I love you? Look. Like that. What about you? This one or this one? That one? Huh? What about you, Annabelle? How much do you love me? It's really big. Te amo. Te amo, ma. Now we are getting ready to go outside for a splash pad. Sometimes I meet with another au pair friends there and have a fun day. Okay, everybody ready? Making some play dates, they're a really good idea because we have time to enjoy like with our friends au pairs, and at the same time the kids have friends to play with the same age and everything, so it's just fun for everybody. This is my friend Miriam. She's an au pair from Mexico and we live close each other, so sometimes we make some play dates to have fun with our house kids, and that's great. It's a really good company. Bye.
Thank you, Mayra.
Bye.
Bye-bye, thank you.
The grocery shops to buy something for the lunchtime. We just buy some things in the supermarket. We are going home and we are going to have lunch. Hi guys, now we are finished our lunch and then we are going to play a game before girls go to nap. Okay, now we are going to clean up this mess and then babies are going to get ready for a nap, okay? Okay, now I'm going to put the babies to sleep for a nap. Okay, you have your teddy bear. Okay, so now Annabelle and Presley are sleeping for their nap, so we are going with Henry go outside because he has a lot of energy always. So when I stay with Henry, I really enjoy the stay with him because we share a lot of moments and I can talk with him. We can do a lot of stuff. We love just sit down in the couch and snuggle together. I really enjoy that part. It's such a lovely moment. So the nap babies is done now, so I'm going to wake them up. Babies, how was your nap, baby? Baby, it's time to wake up. When the girls get up for their nap, we have more time to play together with Henry, and then we wait for my host parent get home. I love Saturdays y domingos. Look who's here! When my host parents come home, I officially off of duty, so we always eat dinner together and spend the time together and talk about what happened during our day, and that's a really great time to stay and talk together. When I come here, I really want to be part of the family, so I was hoping that, and now I'm really feel it with my whole family right now, because they are super sweet with me, and they always share moments with me, and they always invite me to do some plans, and we spend together like a family, and that make me feel like I'm in my home right now. So now I feel like I have two homes and two families, and that's great. Thank you for watching One Day in My Life. Bye. Bye. Say bye. Say ciao.
Ciao.
Say ciao.